Good day everyone. So ngayon, isosolve natin ang problem number 2. Equation ay y equal x at y equal x squared minus 6. So makikita natin itong dalawang to, ayan, dyan sila nag-meet yung dalawa nating equation. So ayan ang magiging answer natin. -2, -2, and 3, 3. So proceed tayo sa next problem. X squared minus 6x minus y squared plus 5 equals 0. And 4x squared minus 24x minus y squared plus 20 equal 0. So dito makikita natin itong dalawang to, dyan nag-meet yung dalawa nating equation. So ayan ang magiging answer natin. 1 and 0 and 5, 0.